of the wire divided by
then I get
cross-sectional area of
mathematical
the wire.
expression like
In this case,
4
the resistivity is 1.7
into
times
10
10 to the power
minus
negative 8.
VA
R is equal
equal
1.7 times
to VA
1.7 times 10 to the power negative 8
plus VA.
times the length of the wire is 4 meters.
Right.
The length of the wire is
I am
4
going to
meters
multiply
divided
this
by
bracket
the
using this 4.
cross-sectional area is 2
4 into
times
10,
10 to the
40.
power negative 6. 2 times 10 to
4
the
into
power
minus VA
negative
minus
6.
4VA
So I can
is
simplify
equal
this 10 to the
3
power negative 6
2VA
with
plus
this 10 to the
VA
power
means
negative 8.
3VA.
This will become 10 to the power negative 2.
I
So
am going to
then
get this side 4VA
1.7
plus
times 10 to the power negative 2,
3VA
10 to the power negative 2
means
times
40
2
equal
times 2.
7VA. I am going to divide
1.7
both side by
times 2
7
is
to
3
find
point
VA.
3.4
VA is equal to
3.4 times 10 to the power negative 2.
5.7 volt.
3 times 4 times 3.4
Now
times
we
10 to the
can
power negative 2.
find branch
I
current
can write this
one by
as
one easily.
34 times
So
34 times 10 to the
we
power
already
negative 3.
find the
10 to
voltage
the power negative
VA
3
node voltage at A.
ohms.
That's
10 to the power
5.7
negative 3
volts.
means milli.
So
So I
we
can
can
rewrite
simply
this 34 times milliohms.
calculate
34 times
I1
milliohms. The final answer
is
is
equal
34
VA
times milliohms. The
VA
resistance
minus
of the
0
wire is
means VA.
34 34
I'm not
milliohms.
going to write that. 0 divided by 10 ohm.
In this video, we are going to do some basic calculation of
I1 equal,
resistance
I
of a
am going
wire.
to substitute VA as 5.7 volt divided by 10
The resistance of a
means
wire is
I1
equal
current